We're doing nachos today. Now, I already browned 5 pounds of ground beef. Made that earlier. Now, right here, I'm adding a little secret ingredient. This right here is them refried beans. The kids don't know about this. You gotta hide them beans. Mix that all in. Stir it all in. Got that oven preheating up at 350 degrees. Now I got these little nifty little pans. Got 4 of them. Go ahead and place them nachos in there the best you can. Like I said before, oven preheating at 350 degrees. Get that all in. Now it's time to add the ground beef / refried beans also. Put that all over them nacho chips. Spread it all over. Get back in there. Now one of them I'm going to leave without meat. Go ahead and start adding that cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. I'm using Mexican blended cheese by Kraft. This is a very easy dish to make any day of the week. Oh, oven is already preheated at 350. Now, everything is pretty much done. All we got to do is melt that cheese. And that's only going to take 5 minutes at 350 degrees. Close that dough. And 5 minutes later, nachos. Nachos. Little pico I made myself. Thanks for watching.